Okay, so today I'm going to make another one of these, which is basically just a curved piece of wood, a couple of braces either side. So yeah, let's just crack on with it. Here's the arc I started out with. Copy that over onto here. I've done a rebate for the material to trim on this side when it gets put in together. This is going to basically form over the edge. Another one on the other side, glue it together, let it go. And it's just for a trim panel. don't know if you can see, I've basically got a rebate put into this piece of material. Okay, just using some PVA glue, so I've got something for material. As you can see, this is actually flexi MDF, which means it will actually twist or bend that way. It won't go one way, just literally one direction, but that's all we need. So I'll do, you can just get this from a normal hardware store, maybe slightly specialist. And all we're going to do is lay that one here, lay that one on there, and all we're going to do is staple it. I'm not use brads, just going to Okay, so the next bit is that I want to have a piece of acrylic which is going to be sitting in between two of these. This will be backlit with LEDs, and it will just basically give a nice glow in the panel work. So I already have one, it's already made. So I'm just going to simply transfer that onto another piece of acrylic. Simple process, let's go on with it. So I've got some double-sided tape here, so what I'm going to do, attach that. Okay, as you might be able to see on there, it's stuck really well, it's not moving anywhere, but I do need to remove the waste. So I'm going to go and jigsaw that quickly. Just a quick one for you. That is a normal blade I use for MDF and wood, and that is a blade, it's a lot finer. And that's what we're going to use instead of the woodwork one, a lot coarser. Okay, so purpose of that, so it allows me to use a router to get flush up against it. I want to leave about a 1/4 inch gap all the way around, about 2-3 mil. Let's take over the router station. Okay, so set the bearings here, so they're just going to ride over the top of the lower part. The piece we want to make flush. Dust extraction on. Okay, so just need to give it a bit of clean up, try and remove some of the actual marks, and we're good to get it fitted. So, go through it quite quickly. Along here it's all nice and roughed up, consistent, but there's a couple of bits here where it's a little bit lighter. And you need to basically just sand down so that all becomes opaque all the way across. The reason being I want it opaque because there's going to be an LED light behind it, and I don't want really the LEDs, the individual LEDs to show through. I just want it to be a nice glow. So just carry on again.